Protesters gathered outside the Supreme Court for the biggest day since the Dobbs decision banned abortion nationwide. This time, a group of pro-life medical organizations that make up the Alliance of Hippocratic Medicine is arguing the Food and Drug Administration is putting lives at risk by expanding access to the drug mifepristone.
The FDA has really undermined the safety of women's health.
The drug, approved here in the U.S. in 2000, is the most commonly used medication for at-home abortions. In 2016, the FDA extended the use from 7 to 10 weeks of pregnancy. During the pandemic, it allowed people to get the pill through telehealth appointments or mail-order pharmacies.
In 2021, it eliminated the initial in-person visit based on data it says elsewhere is unreliable.
Our healthcare professionals are seeing women coming into their emergency room, into their hospitals, who are hemorrhaging, who are bleeding out.
But according to the FDA, less than 1% of people experience problems.
It's an organization of doctors that have never prescribed mifepristone.
It's really important that we look at this as a health equity issue.
The government argues the case has no legal standing and is another attempt to restrict abortion. Some justices expressed concern about undermining the FDA's authority.
Is it the only time any court has restricted access to an FDA-approved drug by second-guessing FDA's expert judgment?
If the Supreme Court rules to allow these anti-abortion extremists to restrict medication abortion with no science and no evidence, it opens the door for all kinds of medicines to be restricted by any group that happens to disagree with them.
If the court decides to roll back the use of the drug, it would still be available for up to 7 weeks of pregnancy. It would be harder to access via the mail or through telehealth appointments. A decision is expected in July. Outside the Supreme Court, Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.